Good morning, Connie.
Good morning, Cecilia and Pablo.
Hi, good morning.
Today we are going to teach you something that you already learned in the past interviews. Please have a look to these words. Okay. Do you know what these words are?
Pronouns? Or no?
Yeah, pronouns.
Pronouns.
Can you say these words aloud?
I. That's or no?
Yeah,
Eso.
good.
You, he, she, it, we, they.
Do it again.
I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
Again.
I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
Okay. Can you say these pronouns now?
In order?
In any order.
Any order. Just the
Just
pronouns.
as long as you name all of them, we just want to see if you remember them.
Okay. I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. So now have a look to this dialogue.
Let's turn it a little bit sideways, okay, so she can read.
Okay.
We want you to identify
The pronouns.
the pronouns. Only the pronouns.
Okay. I guess it's.
No.
Okay. I don't understand very well.
The pronouns. I, you, we, they,
The ones
he,
you said
she.
before.
No, that's the verb be. That's is.
Yeah.
Do you see any?
For me, it's. O sea. No, I don't know. Eso. O sea,
Those are not pronouns.
I don't know.
Okay, there are two different pronouns. First, you have I. There. I am.
The ones you said before.
Yes. And here you have you.
Okay.
So but you pointed out these words. Okay? Do you know what these words are?
I don't know. I don't know the word. Possessive?
It's
Verbs?
possessive something, yeah. So those are called possessive adjectives.
Okay.
They are used to show that an object or something belongs to a subject. For example, my name is Chris Bean. So the name Chris Bean belongs to him. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to move on. So that's what we want to teach you, the possessive adjectives. Here are the adjectives, and here are some examples. They are in order for the pronouns I, you in singular, he, she, we, you in plural, they, and it.
Okay.
So we want you to take some time, look at the examples, and the examples will tell you how to use them. Today we'll only work with the most basic sentence structure with possessives. So don't worry about all of them, but they will give you an idea of how to use them.
Okay.
do you have some idea of how to write now? Or how to write sentences with this? How to use them? Or how to create sentences like
think so.
spoken? Okay, so we will give you a small piece of paper.
Okay.
And, oh, well, you have your notebook. And we will ask you to write one sentence.
An example.
Yes, an example sentence with one of those possessive adjectives. Using the examples as a base. I'm not recording your face, so don't worry.
I can use
Whatever you want.
Anyone you want.
How many?
No, just one.
Just one.
One sentence. So what can you
Read it.
read the sentence aloud so that we can hear it?
Her cat is so pretty.
Her cat is so pretty. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, so do you think you have enough of an idea? Do you want to try again? Do you want us to explain again?
Explain the sentence.
The structure.
The structure. We are going to work with a very basic structure today. So if you have any doubts about what it's there, you can ask us now.
So I have to explain how to.
How to use it?
No, we can explain to you.
We're going to explain you the basic structure.
Okay.
The most basic structure. Yes, you can move on.
So this is the basic structure.
So you start with a demonstrative, such as this, these, those, and that. The verb be, is, or are.
Mm-hmm.
The possessive adjective, so you saw them, my, her, his, its, your, and so on. And finally, you include a noun, so an object. For example, a sample sentence would be like, this is my chair, that is his dog, and so on.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the sentence structure that we are going to work with today.
Okay.
So now we're
Take some time to look at it. Just try to memorize it.
Okay.
Try to focus on it. If you can write it down, make some notes.
I would like.
Yeah, we recommend that you write down the structure because we're going to do some exercises and you will not have access to this unless you request it.
Yes.
Okay, so here you have some pictures and we want you to write using the given structure a sentence per each. For example, using the girl with the
guitar
object,
or the shoes or the earrings
or whatever you want to use
from her, or the chair.
Okay.
Then the boy and the dog.
Okay. I have to
Write them down. Ceci, no, si ya no se puede. Ya, deja, cancelar. So, so did you write one for each of them?
Yep.
Yes.
Can you read it out?
Okay, for the girl.
That is her guitar.
Okay.
That is his phone. That's it. Their ballot. I don't know.
Okay, so you made a mistake with the pronoun there. It's not entirely wrong, but
Can you identify
yes. Like, did you
error?
notice what's
the error?
okay?
I think that is there.
Yes, it is technically usable, but the correct word it would be that is its ball.
Okay.
So if you use the pronoun it would be its.
Okay.
In this case, you were using they, but that is only one dog. So
Okay.
that's the mistake. It is understandable, but it's not correct. So here we have some others. Now you can write some sentences for these ones. So once you're done, please tell us.
Okay. I can choose one of them or
You can choose
or both.
You can choose one of them or both.
It's up to you.
We would prefer if you try to use as many different pronouns as possible. But if you don't feel like it, you don't do it. Just you do whatever you think is correct.
Sure. Okay.
You're done?
Hold on.
Okay, so can you please tell us the sentences that you wrote?
That is their cat,
Right.
and her baby is from that woman.
Okay. That's you did not use any possessive adjective in that sentence. You could have said, for example, that is her baby.
Okay.
And the next one?
Okay. No, that is wrong too.
But
can
why?
you-
Okay.
can you
Can
find
you
what-
tell us the sentence, please?
Did you find your...
Yes,
Okay.
because it's almost the same of two.
And
Can you
write
tell
it
us the sentence first, so we can see if it's actually wrong or not?
His dad helps to study. And I don't finish because I don't know how.
But you know that that sentence is not correct.
Yeah, I know.
Can you now write it correctly?
Using the structure that we gave you.
Do you remember the structure?
Yes, I write it here. And what to write? I don't know because
Do you need with
she studied and no.
Okay, but
Can
focus on the objects, not the action.
Can you say the structure?
I don't know the action, how to identify.
But we are not focusing on the action, only the object. Which one are you going to use? The boy
Who are
or
you
the
going
girl?
to use?
Which one? Please. First, choose one.
So that is her father.
That could be a sentence.
Yeah.
And what
Yeah,
else?
that is one. You made a sentence that is right, and that is using the structure that we gave you. So that is correct.
That is correct.
So we can take that as your sentence. It's okay.
So now we have other exercise. Take a look.
Read all of read all the sentences
Yeah,
first.
read.
Just read silently.
Can you find?
Do you notice something strange about the sentences?
Those are?
Can
or
you?
not? Those are the example of the.
Okay, the first one. Is it correct or not? According to you.
Did you notice?
For me, it's not correct
Why?
because there is a S, and I don't know if.
But do you
For
think?
me, it's incorrect.
And what would be the
Yeah.
correct form?
Without all S.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. The second one.
You're right.
Yeah. The second one. What is wrong?
This
Mm,
or not? These are the cats.
do you know what this word is?
It's
Can you say the word aloud?
they.
Yeah.
What
It's
does
a-
they mean?
Is
It's
it
a
a pronoun
pronoun.
or a possessive?
It's a pronoun.
Okay. And in this, according to the structure.
It's incorrect because
Don't know something, you can ask us in Spanish, don't worry.
Ah, okay. I don't know if sería como their or not. Their cat or their. These are.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. It is because the mistake in that sentence is that it has a pronoun instead of the possessive adjective.
Okay, the next one.
So it would be these are their cats.
Okay.
And the next one for you. Is it correct?
This is our copybooks. I think that is correct, but I don't know very well. I'm not sure. Because I think it's incorrect.
Very good. This is incorrect.
But there is something else that is incorrect. You're right that this is not the word, but there is another word that doesn't belong. No, there is another word.
Yeah, another word in the same sentence.
So, okay, so you say that this is wrong. So yeah, that's right. But there is another one of those three words that is wrong. That is incorrect.
Are.
Can you find it? Yeah.
Yes, it's a verb
not,
be.
Not is.
Yes.
So how would it end? What would be the correct form?
These are or no? Or those? No. That's.
It could be those.
It could be those.
Okay. Those are our copy.
Yeah.
Yes,
very
perfect.
Good. Okay,
Yes.
next one.
Is there anything wrong with that sentence? That is her baby?
No, that is correct.
Yeah.
Yes, you're right. It is correct.
Next one.
That is my book. Is it wrong? Is it right?
It's right.
Yeah.
Yes, perfect.
Next one.
These are me pencils.
I'm not very sure. I'm not sure.
What confuses you?
This.
Okay.
What else?
Is there anything else that confuses you?
Me.
Yeah.
It's my.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
Yes, perfect. You figured it out yourself. So yes, that sentence is all right except for me, which should be my. These are my pencils.
Yes.
Next one.
These are my pencils. Those are your bags. Is that right or is that wrong? Does it have anything weird or unusual?
I'm confused of that words. Because
the demonstratives.
Yes.
I don't.
Okay. So let me show you. So if I grab the pencil, this is a pencil. But if the pencil is far away, I say that is a pencil.
Okay.
And if there is many things, those because it's many and they are far away, are a phone and a pencil. But if I have them here, these are a phone and a pencil. Do you understand? Do you need me to repeat?
No, I understand.
So, okay, let's check. So if you take the pencil. So if you have the pencil in your hand, what is the pencil?
This is my pencil.
Okay, good. But now if you have the pencil and the phone, both, if you have both.
Those are my pencil and my phone. Or no?
Yes, perfect. They are far away from you. What if you had them in your hand?
The both in their hands.
This? Or I don't know how to pronounce.
With an E or with an I?
So this or no?
With an E or with an I?
I no.
You mean this one?
This
Yes.
one or this one?
This.
This.
These. Yes,
It's a
it's
long
longer.
E.
Yes. It's
So-
these. The other one is this.
Entonces, this is my pencil and my cell.
Yes. So you understand that now. So
Yes.
is this sentence right to you? Or is it wrong?
Those are my your bags.
It's correct.
Yes, perfect. It is correct. So now the final one.
It's incorrect. It's wrong
Why?
Why?
Why is it wrong? These are him
because
shoes.
Está I don't know señalando. It's
Signaling? Pointing?
that person. It's saying I don't know. It's not correct because it's those.
Okay, no, but what if the shoes are closed?
Eso no sé cómo decirlo.
Okay, but let's say that the shoes are closed. Is the sentence right or wrong?
It's right.
But can you identify the wrong word in the sentence?
Yes, it is wrong. So what is wrong with the
Him.
what should go there?
My shoes.
That's a possible replacement,
No.
but
But
we're talking
according-
about him.
That is his shoes.
Yes. These are his shoes.
Okay, so this was our class for today. Okay. Thank you so much for your participation,
Don't worry.
and see you next time.
Okay.
See you.